Alright guys, I just bought these new wipers for my 164 ML63 AMG. This should apply to all 164s though, so I bought these off Amazon. The brand is called NRDDO, I'm not quite sure what that means, but what I did see in the comments was that these actually match the OEM wipers themselves much better than any Bosch or whatever newer variant there is. Because even though they might say OE Plus or whatever, they will not fit the exact same brackets, but these will, supposedly, so I'm going to find out today if they do. So we got two fronts and one rear. I'll start off with the fronts and then move back to the rear. Alright, so at the front of the car, here we go, and it seems that what everyone's been saying is very true. These do in fact seem to have the exact same clasping mechanism as the OEM Mercedes wipers. The benefit to buying these, of course, is that they're much cheaper than the OEM ones. I can't remember the exact price difference, I'm sure it's changed over time, but it was significant enough for me to not buy the Mercedes ones, and these are on Amazon as well, so they're prime shipping, even better. So this longer one will go on the driver's side is what it seems. Yep. And it seems like this clasp just kind of slides out of the bracket, and it should be pretty straightforward to do, so I'm going to try and do it on this side, and then once I figure that out for myself, I'll show you guys on the other side, just a shorter one over there. That's the only difference, but yeah. Otherwise, they look more or less identical, just one's newer, obviously. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about these. This car actually goes in the rain quite frequently when it does rain here in California, but it's good to have good working windshield wipers. Just took off the driver's side old one, and all you do is you have to lift the wiper stock up, so kind of have it pointing up like so, and you squeeze these two tabs and push, I guess up, away from the bracket itself, and it just kind of pops out. Pretty simple. And then putting the new one in should be as simple as that, just the other direction. So I'll be back when that's done. Alright, it's time for the rear one. I have it flipped up right now. But on the new one, I can kind of see it looks like there's a pin here, some sort of that kind of has to snap into place onto the car itself. So all I'm going to do is try and snap it off of there without breaking anything, and then put this right on. It looks exactly the same. The only thing that's missing from this is that there's no Bosch logo, which I kind of prefer actually, because there's less logos on there. But that's all it needs. It should be pretty good after that. Alright, so looks pretty good to me. I'm pretty happy with the results. New wipers are great off Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description. And I'd highly recommend these for sure. Much cheaper than OEM, exact same part I'd say. And yeah, go for it.